Today, I will teach you on how to make a colorful gelatin. These are the ingredients we will be using. The flavored gelatin, the flavored powder, the sugar, milk, water. First, we will put, and the molder. First, we will put the flavored powdered gelatin into the water. Then stir until it dissolves. Second, we will put the sugar. It depends on your taste. And then put in a stove. In a medium heat. Continuous stir until it becomes sticky. Just like it. Continue stir. Continuous. And then put it in the molder and make some slice different colors. And let it cool, and then refrigerate, then ready to serve. And this is the finished product of the colorful gelatin. Put it yeah. To make it taste. Yummy. Yummy.